Hello friends, in this video we are discussing 50 medical microbiology MCQ in microbiology. First 50 question of this chapter we have already discussed in a video. That link is provided in description. Please subscribe our channel for more videos. This is a quick revision video, so we discuss only answers. 51 question is antibiotics used for treatment of cholera are antibiotics used for treatment of cholera are tetracyclines. Option A is tetracyclines. Question number 52 is Salmonella typhi is causative organism of enteric fever. Option D is right. 53 is which of the following Salmonella typhi is commonest in India? Salmonella typhoid paratyphi is commonest in India is A. Option A is right. 54 is in enteric fever the organ losing maximum number of organisms is gallbladder. Option B is right. Gallbladder. 55 is true about enteric fever is bacteremia is first week. Bacteremia is first. 56 is gastroenteritis is caused by V. cholera parahenolyticus. Option C is right. 57 is E. coli produce the following toxins. E. coli produces the following toxins is endotoxins. Option B is endotoxin. 58 is the following infection caused by Escherichia coli E. coli except the following infection caused by E. coli except meningitis is option E is that meningitis E is right. 59 is diphtheria is caused by Corynebacterium diphtheriae. Option A is right. Corynebacterium diphtheriae. 60 is causative organism of diphtheria was first demonstrated by Claps and Loefflers. Option C is right. Claps and Loefflers. 61 question is Corynebacterium is gram positive. Option A is right. Gram positive. 62 question is C. diphtheria consists of polymeta phosphate granules. Option B is right. Polymeta phosphate granules. 63 is the incubation period of diphtheria is 2 to 4 week. Option C is right. 2 to 4 week. 64 question is diphtheria virulence test is lax gel precipitation test. 65 is diphtheria toxoid is prepared by using formalin. Option B is right. Formalin. 66 is diphtheria is an example of toxemia. Option D is right. Toxemia. 67 is main symptoms of tuberculosis is tubercle formation. Option A is right. Tubercle formation. 68 is BCG vaccine is for the prevention of tuberculosis. Option D is right. 69 is dose of BCG vaccine is 0.1 ml. Option B is right. 0.1 ml. 70 is negative Mantoux test is important in pulmonary Koch syndrome. Option A is right. Pulmonary Koch syndrome. 71 question is Bacilli calmatic urine. contains the virulent strain of bovine tubercle bacilli. Option C is right. Bovine tubercle bacilli. 72 is drug used against tuberculosis are rifampicin, isoniazid, pyrazinamide and streptomycin. Option C is right. Both A and B. 73 the greatest number of tubercle bacilli present in cavity of the lung tuberculous cavity of the lung. Option D is right. 74 is Hystoid Hansen is a variety of Lepromenatus leprosi. Option D is right. 75 is Streptococcus pyogenes produce all of the following lessons except Streptococcus pyogenes produce all of the following lessons except Peronchia. Option D is right. Peronchia. 76 is causative agent of scarlet fever. Causative agent of scarlet fever is streptopyogens. Option C is right. 77 is rheumatic fever is most commonly caused by rheumatic fever is most commonly caused by streptopyogens. Option B is right. 78 is penicillin is the drug of choice for penicillin is the drug of choice for scarlet fever. Option A is right. Scarlet fever. 79 is in human being streptococcus pneumonia causes in human being streptococcus pneumonia cause pneumonia. Option C is right. 80 is virulence factor of streptococcus pneumonia. Virulence factor of Streptococcus pneumonia is capsular polysaccharides. Option A is right. Capsular polysaccharides. 81 is conjunctivitis in a newborn is caused by Streptococcus. Option A is right. Streptococcus. 82 is influenza is belong to Orthomyxoviridae. Option A is right. Orthomyxoviridae. 83 is influenza virus contains two strands of RNA. Two strands of RNA. Option B is right. 84 is Ray's syndrome is caused by influenza. Option C is right. Influenza. 85 is German measles is also known as rubella 3-day measles. Option B is right. Rubella 3-day measles. 86 is the commonest cause of rubella in newborn. The commonest cause of rubella in newborn is congenital rubella and expanded rubella syndrome. Option D is right. Both A and C. Congenital rubella and expanded rubella syndrome. Option D is right. 87 is mumps virus is belonging to Paramyxoviridae. Option B is right. Paramyxoviridae. 88 is measles is characterized by Babes Ernest granules. Option B is right. Babes Ernest granules. 89 is Brucella causes brucellosis. Option C is right. Brucellosis. 90 is Mediterranean fever is caused by brucella. Option D is right. Brucella. 91 is which of the following test is specific for brucellosis? Which of the following test is specific for brucellosis? Is Castaneda strip. Option C is Castaneda strip. Option C is right. 92 is malignant pustule is caused by. Malignant pustule is caused by anthrax. Option A is right. Anthrax. 93 is the commonest form of anthrax in man is. The commonest form of anthrax in man is cutaneous. Option B is right. Cutaneous. 94 is the animal most frequently infected with anthrax is. The animal most frequently infected with anthrax are sheep, cattle, goat. All of these. Option D is right. All of these. 95 is virus causing rabies is rhabdovirus. Option C. 96 is rhabdovirus are belonging to the family. Rhabdovirus are belonging to the family Rhabdoviridae. Option A is right. Rhabdoviridae. 97 is rabies virus isolated from natural humans or animal infection is termed as. Rabies virus isolated from natural humans or animal infection is termed as street virus. Option A is right. Street virus. 98 is rabies virus can multiply in the central nervous system only, the peripheral nervous muscles tissue, all of these. Option D is right. All of these. 99 is neurological complications following rabies vaccine is common with. Neurological complications following rabies vaccine is common with sample vaccine. Option C is right. Sample vaccine. 100 is which anti-rabies vaccine has been recommended by WHO as the most effective? Which Which anti-rabies vaccine has been recommended by WHO as the most effective? Is HDCS. Option B is HDCS vaccine. Thank you for watching this video.